Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar fell 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 1.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The oil dollar pair dove 2.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Gold climbed for a fourth straight day as investors held on to hopes the US Federal Reserve would trim interest rates by a significant margin this year, even after the central bank pushed back against the idea of a cut in March. Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, is facing challenges as it attempts to re-enter the UK market after it suspended services in the country in October, following FCA's rules on crypto promotion. The dollar hovered close to the highest level in 7 weeks against the euro, after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell pushed back on the idea of a first US interest rate cut as soon as March.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 1330 GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 1330 GMT. Spain's unemployment change at 0800 hours GMT. Australia's producer price index at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.